Okay, so the next question for today is from phase 1, stoichiometry and redox reactions. Question number 24. 1.2 gram of sample of a washing soda was dissolved in water and volume was made up to 250 ml. To 25 ml of the solution when titrated against N by 10 SCl for required 17 ml. The percentage of carbonate is around same type question only. Previously we have solved same question. So first thing what we can do is we can try to calculate concentration of like 1.2 gram is present in how much? 250 ml. 1.2 gram is present in 250 ml. Point to write 25 ml. So it will be how much? Around 0.12 gram. Yes or no? In 25 ml, 0.12 gram. So if I'll write the thing, formula, that is N1 V1 equals to N2 V2. N1 V1 equals to N2 V2. So normality of first solution will be, if I tell you the normality of first solution of Na₂CO₃ will be given mass upon equivalent mass. And as you already know, equivalent mass equals to molecular mass upon frequency factor X. And Na₂CO₃, the X value is 2, as we have discussed in previous question also, because X frequency factor also in salt is total amount of positive charge present on cation or total amount of negative charge present on Ni. So here means X will be 2, total amount of positive charges, Na2 times Na plus. These two are there, so it will be plus 2. We can put the equivalent mass here. The equivalent mass can write as molecular mass upon frequency factor, that is 2, yes or no, into 2. Next is volume. Volume is how much? 25 ml multiplied by 1000. So that is the normality into how much volume we have taken for this. 25 ml only we have taken. N2 V2. N2, normality of solution is N by 10. Volume of taken solution is 17 ml. Okay, now we have to solve this thing. That's it. So if I write given weight is 0.12 gram, 0.12 gram into 2 into 1000, 25 gone. A molecular weight of Na₂CO₃ is dot X to F. Was the impurity will be water only. Molecular weight of Na₂CO₃ is 106 and water is 18 X. So it will be 106 plus 18 X. This is the molecular weight. This is greater than N by 10. You can write it as 17 by 10. Try to find the value of X. So what we can do is we can put 10 this side and 17 below. Okay, so it will be 2000 into 1.2 or 2000 into 0.12 into 10 equals to 17 into 106 plus 17 into 18x. Yes. So putting the values, I can use the calculator for now because those huge calculations are there. So calculator. So first thing, this 2000 into 2, that we can write normally also. 12 to the 20, 12 to the 24, and 12 to the 24. This 20 give a 20. 2 zeros are remaining. So 2400 will be there. Equals to, for this we need calculator. 17 into 106, 17 multiplied by 106 will be around 1802. 18 minus I am putting as 1802 divided by 17 into 18 will be X. 17 into 18 will be X. Now talking about, again we have used calculator. To 2400 minus 1802 will be close to 598 and 600 if I'll tell. 17 and 18, 17 into 18, 17 into 18 is close to around 306. So around 598 upon 306 will be X. Solve it, will be around equal to 2. Means 2 molecules of water are extra in the solution. 2 molecules of water are extra there. So we can write the percentage carbonate, means molecular weight of carbonate is 106 and total will be 106 plus 18 into 2. So it will be 106 plus 18 into 2 is 36. So it will be 142. So into 100 will come around 106. It will come around 76%. And 76% will be, okay, C answer, approximately 76% of carbonate will be present in this solution. Thank you.